Hanging from a pull-up bar for just 1 minute every day isn't some overhyped fitness trend that sounds too good to be true. It's one of the simplest, most underrated movements that can completely transform your shoulder health, spinal alignment, posture, and grip strength. Most people never think of hanging as real exercise, but once you start doing it consistently, you'll feel the difference fast. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what happens to your body when you make daily hanging a habit. We'll cover 7 powerful benefits backed by how your body actually works. Plus, I'll show you how to get started safely and progress over time. If you're dealing with tight shoulders, bad posture, or weak grip, this could be a game changer. Let's dive in. The first big change is in your shoulders. In daily life, your arms spend most of the time at your sides or in front of you, typing, driving, scrolling on your phone. This shortens your chest and front shoulders while weakening your upper back. Over time, it creates tightness, poor mobility, and often nagging pain. Hanging reverses that completely. When you hang with arms fully extended overhead, you're putting your shoulders in a position they rarely see. It stretches the pectorals, opens the shoulder capsule, and activates the stabilizing muscles around your shoulder blades. Most importantly, hanging decompresses the shoulder joint. Gravity gently pulls your arm bone away from the socket, creating space and reducing daily compression. It's like hitting the reset button on your shoulders. Many people notice shoulder discomfort fading away within just a few weeks of consistent daily hanging. Next is one of the most noticeable changes, how your spine feels and looks. Years of sitting, standing, and poor movement compress your spine, flatten its natural curves, and squeeze the discs. That leads to stiffness, back pain, rounded shoulders, and forward head posture. Daily hanging creates the opposite effect. Gravity puts your entire spine into gentle traction, separating each vertebra and creating space between the discs. This relieves build-up pressure and allows discs to rehydrate. You're not forcing anything, just letting gravity elongate your spine naturally. Over time, this restores your spine's natural curves, opens up your chest, and pulls your shoulders back. People often say they stand taller and feel lighter after starting this habit. It's one of the best natural ways to fight the gravity slump we all experience. This one surprises a lot of people, but grip strength is a huge marker of overall health and longevity. Studies show stronger grip correlates with longer life, better function as you age, and lower injury risk. When you hang, your hands, fingers, and forearms support your full body weight. All the small stabilizer muscles fire hard, something you rarely challenge in daily life. Most beginners can't even hang for 30 seconds at first, but grip adapts incredibly fast. Within a couple of weeks of daily hanging, you'll hold on much longer. That new strength carries over everywhere. Lifting weights feels easier, carrying groceries is no problem, opening jars becomes effortless. Stronger grip equals stronger everything else. Hanging isn't just passive stretching. Your lats, rhomboids, lower traps, and serratus anterior all work to keep your shoulder blades stable and pulled down. This low-level constant engagement teaches these muscles proper positioning. It prevents your shoulders from shrugging up toward your ears. The result? Better posture and stronger pulling movements. Many people find their pull-up performance improves dramatically, even without extra training, just from daily hanging building the right patterns and stability. Hanging stretches far beyond your shoulders. It lengthens your lats, opens your core, and even releases tight hip flexors if you fully relax your lower body. Most of us spend our days compressed and hunched. Your body adapts to what you do most. But spending just 1 minute a day fully lengthened with arms overhead retrains your body to prefer open, aligned positions. Overhead reaching becomes easier. Stiff movements feel smooth. Years of accumulated tightness start to unwind. Tight shoulders and compressed spine pull your rib cage down, limiting how much your lungs can expand. Hanging opens everything up, lifting the ribs, expanding the chest, creating space for full breaths. People often notice they can breathe more deeply without even trying. More oxygen means better energy, focus, recovery, and performance in workouts and daily life. The final benefit isn't physical, it's mental. Hanging for a full minute isn't easy at first. Your hands burn, shoulders fatigue, and your brain screams to let go. But pushing through builds real mental resilience. You train your nervous system to stay calm under discomfort. That strength carries over to tough workouts, stressful situations, and any challenge requiring focus and grit. It's simple. Find a pull-up bar, doorway, gym, or park. Grab with hands slightly wider than shoulders. Hang fully relaxed, arms straight, shoulders pulled down, breathe normally. If 1 minute is too much, start with shorter hangs and build up total time to 60 seconds. Do it every single day. Consistency beats intensity. Pro tips: keep shoulders active, breathe steadily, let legs and lower body relax completely for full decompression. Once comfortable, try variations. Wider grip for more lat stretch. Active hangs. Daily hanging is one of the highest return habits you can add. Just 1 minute for better shoulders, spine, grip, posture, flexibility, breathing, and mindset. Start today and track how you feel in a few weeks. If this video helped, drop a like, comment below. Are you starting daily hanging? How long can you hang right now? Subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple, science-based ways to move better and feel stronger. You've got this. See you in the next one.